Hey, I haven't seen a lot of videos on exactly how to do this unless you buy this bracket, but I'm going to install Hella Supertone. So you need to take the bumper off. This is a 2016 Volkswagen GTI, and so it's not going to be a complete me showing you how to take the screws out, but here you go. So up here you'll have the one that goes in upward, and then you'll have your three others in your little, what do they call that, wheel well. And then underneath you'll have 7 of these. Now there's one bolt that holds in the little oil plate. You don't have to take that out, you leave that there, but the one in front of it, that's the one you take out. So there's 7 of these. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You'll see those little torque screws. Take those, and then everything else just kind of pulls out. This pulls out this part here when you're in the middle. Let's see, looking through my viewfinder, right up under here I was able to take a little pry tool, get up under this thing and push down, and it pushes the little clippy thing down, so you can slowly work it out. Just be patient, you'll get it. Man, this thing's so dirty. And here's where your horns are. Here's a horn. This is I think it's a 10 or a 9mm nut. And then what I thought was cool was this little guy. You can clip it off, and now you have nice little metal contacts. So I have broken horn, or well, a broken horn, and I'm going to discard this. I do not like to cut into factory wiring because that's going to kind of, you know, open it up for a mess. But this, I don't care about this. So check that out. You can pull that out. You can solder your leads to these two right here. And I'm just going to take my Hellas and bracket them on there with the new bolt. I might take this little back piece off and just leave it under there and shoot it downward. I'm pretty sure these are loud enough. If not, I might bend it up. Okay, so there's that one. The other side, the left side of the car, is the same thing. So I was doing some testing. And you can just take this off, this will clip off, and you can do your work. So if you want to install Hellas without the $100 bracket, just use your stock brackets. This is what it looks like. Best of luck to you, and yeah, have fun.